Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting both devices talking on the same network, so make sure your Xumo and phone are on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, launch the Xumo screen mirroring app on the TV or the Xumo stream box settings, and on your phone open cast or screen mirroring. You do this now because the TV must advertise itself before your phone can detect it. Make sure location and local network permissions are granted on the phone to allow discovery. After the TV shows up, tap the Xumo device name to initiate the connection. You'll often see a pairing prompt on the TV that you must accept. If a PIN appears, enter it on your phone. That prevents accidental links. Once connected, configure orientation and resolution from the phone's casting settings so video fits the screen and audio routes to the TV. If your app offers full screen or audio choices, select them now to prevent cropping and ensure sound plays through the television. To end, stop casting from your phone or close the Xumo mirroring app. That cleanly releases resources. If the stream stutters or won't connect, first power cycle the router, Xumo device, and your phone. This clears temporary network hiccups. Make sure guest or AP isolation is off and no firewall is blocking device discovery. If problems continue, update firmware on Xumo and the phone, then retry. This single troubleshooting step, rebooting all devices, fixes most mirroring failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.